Oh no! Someone helps me! Wow! What fantastic large claws! Kiki! What kind of dinosaur is this?
Let's learn about it.
The world is amazing!
Let's keep learning.
Smart tablet! Activate!
A large body with a round belly. It can firmly stand on its rear legs. Curved claws that look like scythes. A pointy snout and a long neck. Therizinosaurus. Therizinosaurus is a herbivorous dinosaur that existed during the late Cretaceous period. It has a huge body with large scythe-like claws on each of its forelimbs.
The mighty Therizinosaurus is so large and tall. It also has extremely large claws. The claws can cut all the grass.
Of course. Therizinosaurus has the longest claws in the world. Look. The arms of Therizinosaurus are 2.5 meters long. It has 3 large claws on each of its forelimbs. The curved claws look like scythes.
The large and curved claws look like scythes.
Quacky, do you know what's the function of large claws of Therizinosaurus?
Oh!
The claws of Therizinosaurus can be used to cut hair. Of course not. Let's check out what is special about the large claws of Therizinosaurus. Quacky, what's the function of large claws of Therizinosaurus? A. Attacking enemies. B. Cutting hair. C. Tailoring.
Wow!
That's right! You are right! The long claws of Therizinosaurus are especially powerful. Scientists speculate that Therizinosaurus can fight off other dinosaurs with its claws. Quacky, fast quiz. Does Therizinosaurus like to eat grass or meat? The large and ferocious Therizinosaurus is so powerful, it must like to eat meat. Kids, let's give it a try. Let's see what Therizinosaurus likes to eat. Does Therizinosaurus like to eat meat? Therizinosaurus doesn't like to eat meat. Does Therizinosaurus like to eat grass? Therizinosaurus likes to eat plant leaves. Oh, it turns out that Therizinosaurus likes to eat leaves. You're right. It also likes to eat fruits on the tree. Let's check out how Therizinosaurus gets the food. Therizinosaurus loves eating leaves and fruits. Drag Therizinosaurus to eat more food. Ah! There is a spider web. Let's remove the spider web. Drag the spider. spider web. Let's remove the spider web. Ah! There is a spider web. Let's remove the spider web. A spider web. Let's remove the spider web. Therizinosaurus is full. Thank you. Quacky, what have you learned about Therizinosaurus?
Oh, Therizinosaurus has the largest claws in the world. Therizinosaurus attacks enemies with its claws. Therizinosaurus likes to eat leaves and fruits.
That's great! Quacky is so clever.
Hey!
Next, let's fix the dinosaur model.
Quack, 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 quack.
Kids, have you got it? Let's scan and find the dinosaur fossils. Therizinosaurus. What does Therizinosaurus like to eat? Therizinosaurus likes to eat plants such as leaves, grass, and fruits. Therizinosaurus likes to eat fruits. Therizinosaurus likes to eat grass. Put the puzzle in the right place. Therizinosaurus. Grass. Fruit tree. Therizinosaurus uses its claws to collect leaves and fruits.